Yo, yo, yo. It's Connor, hon. This message goes out to all my homeboys out there that be supporting me. I wanted my boys to know that the new show, Never Say Never, is coming out soon. I was hoping you all would join me to go and see the movie. I have been counting down the days for the movie to finally come out. Justin Bieber is like my second role model, right behind Lex Henderson, who I must say is pretty darn cool. Lex is one of the coolest kids I know. Do you want to see the cool dance he showed me? Cool dance, huh? Well, it's getting past my bedtime now. So goodbye.